Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of photography with the incredible Fujifilm X-M1. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or just starting your creative journey, this mirrorless camera promises to elevate your photography experience. So, grab your gear and let's explore everything the X-M1 has to offer. Let's begin with the unboxing. The Fujifilm X-M1 comes elegantly packaged, and upon opening the box, you're greeted with the camera body, a lens, a battery, a charger, and a user manual. The first impression is solid. The camera feels robust yet lightweight, perfect for on-the-go shooting. Next, let's talk about the design. The X-M1 sports a minimalist aesthetic with a vintage touch. Its magnesium alloy body gives it a premium feel, while the intuitive layout of buttons ensures that you can access all the essential controls without missing a beat. The 3-inch tilting LCD screen allows for easy shooting from high and low angles. Now, let's explore the heart of any camera, the image quality. The X-M1 is equipped with a 16-megapixel APS-C X-Trans CMOS sensor, which delivers stunning detail and vibrant colors. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or intimate portraits, the image quality is exceptional. Let's take a look at some samples. One of the standout features of the X-M1 is its autofocus system. With 49 focus points, it locks onto subjects quickly and accurately. Watch as our photographer navigates through this lively market, capturing spontaneous moments with ease. The camera's burst mode allows for up to 5.6 frames per second, ensuring you never miss a shot. But it's not just about stills. The X-M1 excels in video too. With the ability to shoot Full HD 1080p video at 60 frames per second, it's perfect for vlogs and cinematic projects. Check out this stunning time-lapse we captured, showcasing the beauty of the sunset. The camera's image stabilization features help to ensure smooth footage, making it a versatile tool for creators. In today's digital age, sharing your work is essential. The X-M1 comes with built-in Wi-Fi, allowing you to transfer photos and videos directly to your smartphone or tablet for instant sharing on social media. Imagine capturing a perfect moment and sharing it with your followers within minutes. So there you have it. The Fujifilm X-M1 is a powerful and compact camera that caters to both photographers and videographers alike. Its exceptional image quality, user-friendly design, and connectivity options make it a fantastic choice for anyone looking to elevate their photography skills. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content like this. Have you tried the Fujifilm X-M1? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep shooting.